Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, rack one's brain. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of idioms, specifically the phrase, rack one's brain. If you've ever stumbled upon this expression and found yourself puzzled, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, rack one's brain, is an idiom that means to think very hard or strain mentally to remember something or solve a problem. It implies a situation where someone is putting a lot of effort into thinking, almost as if they were stretching their brain to its limits to find a solution or recall a piece of information. Understanding the history of an idiom can often shed light on its meaning. The term, rack, in rack one's brain, comes from the medieval torture device, the rack, which was used to inflict pain by stretching the body. Although quite grim, this visualization helps convey the intensity of the mental effort implied in the phrase. It's as if one is stretching their brain to its utmost capacity, similar to how the rack stretched the body. Now, let's see how to incorporate this idiom into our everyday language. Here are a few examples. 1. I've been racking my brain all day trying to remember where I left my keys. 2. The detective racked his brain to solve the mysterious case. 3. She racked her brain for a solution to the complex math problem. Notice how in each instance, the phrase is used to depict a situation where intense mental effort is required. If you're looking to diversify your language, here are some synonyms that convey a similar meaning. Ponder, mull over, brood, think hard, concentrate. Each of these can be used in place of rack one's brain to add variety to your speech or writing. Thank you for tuning into our exploration of the phrase, rack one's brain. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting idiom, and perhaps you'll find yourself using it the next time you're deeply engrossed in thought. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your horizons.